Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your Suno AI account step by step. Before we start, here's something important to know. At the moment, Suno's official self-service account deletion option is available through the Suno mobile app. That means you normally cannot delete your Suno account directly from a PC or web browser using a delete button. If you are using a computer, you can still contact Suno and request deletion by email, but the direct delete account option is found in the mobile app. Also, deleting your Suno account is permanent. Once the account is deleted, your songs and personal account details may not be recoverable. So before continuing, make sure you really want to remove the account. If you have a paid Suno subscription, cancel your subscription first. If you subscribed directly through Suno, go to suno.com/account and cancel it there. If you subscribed through the App Store or Google Play, cancel it from your phone's subscription settings. Now, let's begin. First, open the Suno app on your phone. Once you are on the home screen, tap your profile photo at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the gear icon to open Settings. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. Look for the option called Close Your Account and Delete Your Songs. It should be located near the bottom of the page. Tap Click here. After that, Suno will ask you to confirm the deletion. Depending on whether you are using iPhone or Android, the confirmation step may look slightly different. You may see a confirmation button, or you may be asked to type a phrase to confirm that you want to delete the account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once you confirm, your Suno account deletion request will be submitted, and the account will be removed permanently. Now, if you do not have access to the mobile app, or you want to request deletion from a PC, you can email Suno at privacy@suno.com and ask them to delete your account or personal information. Make sure to contact them from the same email address linked to your Suno account, so they can verify your request more easily. If you do not see the delete option in the mobile app, update the Suno app first, then check the settings page again. You can also contact Suno support at support@suno.com for help. And that's it. That's how you delete your Suno AI account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial.